Alright guys, if you want to know how to go from this to this, then keep on watching. Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a bleach bath on your hair. This is a way to bleach your hair, suck the color out with as little damage as possible. Before I was black and it faded to brown, and then I used Color Oops and it brought me to like a weird brownie color, and then I put a pink on it, let it sit for a while, gave it a break. Now I'm ready to do a bleach bath. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to use 20 volume developer along with some blue based bleach powder. And I'm going to be mixing it with just this Garnier Fructis Damage Eraser Fortifying Shampoo in my mixing bowl. I don't have much hair and it is pretty fine, so I'm going to just use 1 scoop of the bleach powder. And then I'm going to add in equal parts of the developer and the shampoo. With a brush, I'm just going to mix it all together. Once everything is mixed together well, you are going to want to wear gloves because you are working with a bleach product. You get this on your skin and you can get a chemical burn. So always wear your gloves. I'm going to dampen my hair because you do want to put it in wet. That should be wet enough. Have a towel with you to catch any drippage. Alright, now we're going to start applying the mixture. I do start it at the ends and then I work my way up. I don't have thick hair or a lot of hair, so I don't really have to worry about sectioning too much. You do want to work fairly quickly with this product because it will start working as soon as it touches your hair. And you want it to all process evenly together, so you want to try to get it in as quickly as possible. Now in the back I am going to do sections slightly so I get the underside and overside. Now I'm going to take excess products into my hand and I'm just really going to massage it into my hair. Having your hair wet and with the shampoo in it really helps to distribute the product a lot more evenly throughout your hair. I'm going to remove my glasses so I can get my hairline. Alright guys, now that it is all in, mixed in to my hair, this is not going to sit in for my hair for very long. I'll probably leave it in for about 10 minutes and it'll be ready because my hair was pre-bleached and it's basically only sucking up semi-permanent colors. I don't think it's going to take too long. Everyone's hair is going to react differently, so if you are trying this, please just keep an eye on your own hair and keep checking it and wash it out when it gets to the level that you want it to be. I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. I left it on for about 15 minutes. I washed it, dried it, ran the straightener through it. This is what I'm left with. You can hear my family upstairs. Let me spin you around. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it sucked the color out evenly. I'm left with a blonde-ish shade, which later I will be figuring out what to tone it with. Yeah, if you guys like videos like this, then please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of upcoming videos, then you know you gotta hit the bell. Alright guys, I thought that was gonna be the end of the video for tonight, but I was wrong. If you can see, I don't know if it's gonna pick up too well. My hair might look a little bit lighter, brighter, and less orange. I was sitting looking at it and I knew I wanted to tone it, so I went in, I grabbed my color book from downstairs. This is like my actual, you guys see me use a lot of the Arctic Fox and the semi-permanent colors. This is the book for my actual color line that I use, my professional one. So I just want to show you, I went in with 10 CN, this one right here, with some 20 volume developer. I wanted to bring down the brassiness just a little bit. I can live with this now. I have it curled and kind of pinned up. This is what it's looking like. I'll show you. It still has spots with pink in it from how my color was before. But I want to show you quickly how I chose my toner. So I looked through the book and I figured out that I was this level right here. This is 9D. This is what it matched up to my hair. And then if you go to the back of these handy swatch books, they have the color wheel here. I found 9D right here. I went completely to the opposite and it brought me to pretty much 10 CN, which is an ashy, very light blonde. So it still does have the yellow tones to it. I knew that, but doing the Bleach Bath, I'm doing a slower process of getting to like the blonde that I want. If I would have just slapped 30 volume developer with the powdered bleach all on dry hair, I could have lifted my hair like that, but my hair would not feel as good as it does now. So always please take your time if you're working with bleach. I can't stress that enough. Take your time, take care of your hair. Don't try to get there all at once. All right, now this video is done. Bye.